You might check off 20 things from your list today, but still feel like you've done nothing. This isn't a time problem, it's a misalignment problem. Your thoughts might say focus, but your emotions say panic, and your body is just scrolling to survive the day. This isn't laziness. You're simply running 3 operating systems at the same time, and none of them are in sync. In today's environment, every ping, every scroll hijacks your amygdala, flooding your system with noise. And when the amygdala becomes overreactive, the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus, planning, and execution, literally goes offline. Studies show that multitaskers perform worse, not better, because little bits of distraction build up like digital cholesterol in your attention. You don't notice it at first, but over time, your focus clogs, your clarity fades, and your brain feels scattered. This state of disarray is the opposite of what's called neuroalignment. Neuroalignment happens when your logical brain, your emotional brain, and your survival brain are finally communicating with each other instead of conflicting. Right now, those parts of your brain are reacting to different things, which is why your attention feels fragmented. But when they align, focus returns. Here's how to achieve neuroalignment in 3 steps before you open another tab. Step 1. Logic, the prefrontal cortex. Set one single intention before opening another tab. Give your brain a clear mission, or it will chase everything and accomplish nothing. One focus, one outcome. That's it. Step 2. Emotion, the amygdala. Name what you're feeling out loud. I feel overwhelmed. I feel scattered. I feel anxious. This simple act decreases amygdala activity by up to 50%. Your emotions lose their grip when you acknowledge them. Step 3. Body, the brainstem. Use the 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out breath for 90 seconds. This simple act signals to your body that you are safe. And only when your body feels safe can your prefrontal cortex come back online. This isn't wellness fluff, it's biology. After practicing neuroalignment, you'll notice your thoughts slowing down, you'll make fewer impulsive decisions, and you'll feel like you're back in the driver's seat of your mind. Your attention isn't broken, your brain has just been looking in 3 different directions. So here's how you make yourself 1% better. Before opening your next app or task, practice the 3-step alignment. Set one clear intention. Name your current emotion out loud. Take 5 breaths in and out for 90 seconds. Your brain will literally rewire itself to focus instead of fragment. Attention isn't lost. It's rebuilt, one choice at a time.